So okay, in this video what we're going to do is we are going to achieve this XXE using the file upload. So sometimes the file uploads like documents, Word documents and SVG files are sent over in the XML format. So what we are going to do is we are going to create one SVG file that contains XXE payload that will determine as passability file contents. So let's go and do this. So let's create the sample XML file. Let's create an entity name pawn system file XXE passability. So this is the test. So I think we can say pawn here, ampersand pawn semicolon. Now let's go and use the XML lint. So we got no errors, so we can go and upload this one. So let's go and upload this test.svg, and also let's capture this request and click on upload. Now you can see here post request to the upload.php, and the file name is test.svg, and the content type is image/svg plus xml. So this is the content type for XML. You can also put text/xml, so both can be valid, and this is the XML data we are going to send. So click on forward. And now what you want to do is this is the profile pic for you. So instead of this profile pic, you should see the contents of passability file. So here we can see the logo, but press Ctrl U, and so I think we should go to the images. So let's go to images. So let's go to test.svg. So let's capture this again, and only SVG images are allowed. So let's let's go and type for SVG magic bytes Okay, we are doing correct, but it's saying only SVG images are allowed. So alright, I understood where we got wrong. We need to change this to SVG, so then it will recognize this as SVG. So sorry for this. So that's why here you can see we need to send this as SVG. So let's go and change here also. Let's change this to SVG. So let's send this request, and you can see file successfully uploaded. And let's press Ctrl U, and here you can see instead of our profile pic, we can see the contents of PassWD file. So you can also put any other file as well, like shadow file if you can read, or host name, etc. So you can also fetch this source code of this upload.php in the base64 format and see what filters have been applied, and you can also get the configuration.php as well. So here you can see we have took advantage of this XXE using this file upload. So for this SVG, the format is XML, and the main root tag is the SVG only. So that's why we got that error and stuck for a while. So this is how you take advantage of this file upload. If the SVG is allowed, and you can go and do this XXE payload, and XML parser will parse for you and fetch the contents of PassWD file.